Year Ones. Today for our maths we're going to be measuring using non-standard units. So we've been practicing a lot with our measuring, haven't we? So we thought we'd round the week off with a fun game. So our alien friend today says, "Hello Year One. Today is the Space Aliens Annual Sports Day. The most important game of the day is the star throwing contest. Aliens come from planets far and wide to compete in this contest. As you can probably guess, the aim of the game is to see who can throw the star the furthest. But, oh dear, all the tape measures and rulers have disappeared. What can they do if they don't have these to measure with?" This alien's having a think. He thinks they could use non-standard units to measure with. Can you remember what non-standard units are? Have a think now. Tell your grown-up what is a non-standard unit. So last week we measured with things we had around the house like bricks or pasta or paper clips. These are non-standard units. The only problem with this is that you need to have a lot of them to be able to measure with, and these aliens can throw a very long way. Maybe we have something with us at all times that we could measure with. Let's think back to yesterday. What did we measure yesterday? So the aliens could measure with their feet. They could use footsteps. So we're going to try it out first to see if it would work for them. First, we're going to need a star. So I've made my star here. Lovely shiny star. I've made my star by cutting a star shape out of cardboard, and then I've covered it with some lovely shiny tin foil. So you could do the same at home, or you can make a different shape in a different way. It's completely up to you, as long as it's nice and flat and you're able to throw it easily without damaging anything in your house. So then my next step is to find a nice clear space for me to throw the star, and then I'm going to throw it and measure using my footsteps how far I've thrown it. So that's the non-standard unit of measurement that we're going to use today. So I'm just going to demonstrate. Hopefully you'll be able to see this. I'm just going to tilt the camera down in a moment so that you can watch how I measure with my footsteps. So I've made a nice clear space. I'm going to throw my star. And now I'm going to measure with my footsteps. I'm going to count as I go. My heel is touching my toes in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 footsteps to get to my star. Okay. So that worked, didn't it? I think the aliens will be able to do it. They will be pleased that their contest can go ahead. So let's recap how we measure with our feet so that the aliens can understand. So you need to put one foot in front of the other and make sure that the heel of the front foot is touching the toes on your back foot. Count the steps until you get to the star. Make sure that you walk in a straight line, and to make sure that your measurement is accurate. So your independent task today is to, first you need to create your star, like so, and then you need to have a star throwing contest at home. Okay, so you're going to measure in the non-standard unit of footsteps, and then you're going to record your attempts in your book. I wonder what the furthest distance is that you can throw. Perhaps you would like to challenge someone else in your house to see how far they can throw. Another challenge for you could be to look at your results after you've recorded them in your books, and you could decide which star travelled the shortest and the furthest distance out of all of your results. That would be amazing. Well done, year ones.